Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. And so today's video was kind of short. Actually, this is probably going to be the intro, but anyways, I just recorded some stuff during my lunch break, and then afterwards I had to go to, basically I left work early to go to a training session on like aerial lifts and stuff to renew my license for that. And so I didn't get to record anything after work, but I did record some stuff, some of the lifts that we were training on, basically like a bucket truck and he called it like a gale or something, but basically just I don't know, now I can't even think of the name of it, but basically you'll see in the video. But so I was working on that, and yeah, it was fun to kind of work with the machines a little bit. And yeah, so anyways, hope you guys enjoy the short clips that I got for you guys. We did end up pulling some wire after we pulled all the strings in, and we got most of that, or the big stuff, the home runs, done down to the basement from the 3rd floor and stuff like that. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy, and here you go. Alright guys, welcome back. Just here on lunch, and I want to show you guys some stuff. Basically working on the fire alarm boxes here, and basically just pulling the strings through. That's what we've been working on the first half of the day. I have to go to the shop later in a few hours to do an update on my lift card or whatever for like snorkel lifts and stuff like that, aerial type of lifts. So I think that's like a 3-hour class, so I'm leaving early. I just tied these strings off to something close by. Basically just been doing this. We're gonna start pulling wire here shortly, but just went throughout the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd floor, and been pulling strings through the fire alarm boxes. So here's the type of wire we will be pulling. Like a 14-2 and a 16-2 and a 14-2. So here's that pipe from yesterday. This one right there. So I know I started this one. And that goes to this box right here with the spreader bar to strap to the pipe. This spreader bar straps to the pipe like an inch above it. And then there's the floating pipe right there with a 90 on it. And then it has an offset. Offset right there, and then it just 90s down at the top. So that's what I did yesterday. And then outside here on the scaffolding is where I put that box for the fire alarm. I think you might be able to see it right there. That looks like it. Actually, no, I didn't do the fire alarm, but there's the bell, so it's right next to it. So basically the bell box is like right there. Alrighty. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. It was probably like 20 seconds, but anyways, I am wearing a yellow shirt today, so that's sweet. I haven't worn a yellow shirt in like what seems like 8 months, because I only have orange shirts for the company that I'm working at. And I finally got some yellow ones, and all the orange ones were dirty, so finally cut the tag off and broke her in. First time today. It felt real nice. And thanks for watching, and make sure to, if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me out, and I would appreciate that a lot. And if you want to help me hit my 2020 New Year's goals, check out my social medias and follow along. Help me reach my my goal of that, and also on Twitch. And lastly, if you want to be notified when I live stream or upload videos, hit the notification bell only if you want to. Thanks guys, God bless. See ya tomorrow. Peace out. It's already Friday. This is the funniest thing in the world. If you don't see 9 million, literally 9 million mole holes. Oh my gosh, I almost ripped off that mailbox. Oh my gosh, the first time I saw all those mole holes, I just bust out laughing, because that... Alright guys, straight up, you can't even make this up. Someone just straight up, I had to turn around for this. Someone straight up threw a Christmas tree away. You can't make that up. You can't make that up.